Hello, everyone. Welcome to Explore English Online. My name is Smith. This podcast is for beginners. Let's learn English together.
Hi, friends. I am Sarah. I am happy you are here. We will speak slow English. You can listen and learn.
This podcast is very easy. We use simple words. We speak clearly. You can repeat after us. Do not worry about mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are okay. Everyone makes mistakes. You learn by listening. You learn by speaking. English becomes easy.
Today we talk about real life, real English conversations, English you use every day, at home and outside. Let's start now.
First, greetings in English. Greetings are very important. You meet people every day. You say hello. Let's practice greetings.
I say hello. Hello means hi. You can say hello anytime. Hello is friendly. Hello is easy.
I answer, hello, Smith. How are you today? This is a common question. People ask this every day. Now repeat slowly.
I say I am fine. Thank you for asking. This is a polite answer. You can also say good. Very simple English.
I say, that's great. I am fine too. Thank you, Smith. This sounds natural. You can use it daily.
Now let's talk about names. Names are important. I say, what is your name? This is very common. You will use it often.
I answer, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. This is polite English. People like polite words. Repeat after me.
I say, nice to meet you too. This sounds friendly. People smile when you say this. English is about connection, not only grammar.
Yes, English is connection. Do not be shy. Speak slowly. People will understand you. Confidence is important.
Now let's talk about place. Where are you from? This is a simple question. People ask this often. Listen carefully.
I answer, I am from London. You can change the city. Say your own city. This is real English. Very useful.
I say that is nice. Your city is beautiful. This is a friendly reply. People feel happy. Simple sentences work.
Yes, short sentences are best. Do not make it hard. English can be simple. Practice every day, little by little.
Now let's talk about daily life. I ask, what do you do? This means your job. Very common question. Listen again.
I answer, I am a student, or I am a teacher, or I work in an office. Choose your answer. Very easy.
Good job, Sarah. Your answer is clear. People understand you. That is the goal. Clear English.
Thank you, Smith. Practice makes perfect. Do not stop listening. Do not stop speaking. You are improving.
Now let's talk about time. I ask, what time is it? This is daily English. You hear it everywhere. Repeat slowly.
I answer, it is 5 o'clock. You can change the number. Time is important. English helps you. Practice again.
Great. Now let's talk about food. Food is fun to talk about. Everyone eats food. Let's begin.
I say, I am hungry. This means I want food. Very common sentence. Use it every day. Simple and useful.
I answer, let's eat. Or let's have lunch. This is friendly English. People like it. Easy speaking.
Yes, English is friendly. Smile when you speak. Speak slowly. Do not rush. Enjoy learning.
Now let's talk about shopping. I ask, how much is this? This is very useful. You use it in markets. Listen carefully.
I answer, it is $5. You can change the price. Numbers are important. Practice numbers daily. You will improve.
Good job. Now let's talk about directions. I ask, where is the bus stop? This is real-life English. Very important.
I answer, it is over there. Or it is near here. Simple direction words, easy to remember. Use them daily.
Now let's talk about feelings. I say, I am happy. You can say sad too. English expresses feelings. Very natural.
Yes, feelings are important. I say I am tired. This is daily English. Use it after work. Very common.
Now let's talk about weather. I ask, how is the weather? People ask this often. It starts conversations. Easy topic.
I answer, it is sunny or it is cold. Weather words are easy. Practice every day. You will remember.
Great listening so far. You are doing well. Keep listening carefully. English takes time. You are learning.
Yes, be patient. Do not quit. Listen again and again. Repetition is key. You are improving.
Now let's talk about help. I say, can you help me? This is polite English. Very useful sentence. Remember it.
I answer, yes, of course. Or sorry, I can't. Both are okay. Be polite always. English is polite.
Now let's talk about thanks. I say thank you. This is very important. Say it often. People like it.
I answer, you're welcome. This is polite reply. Very common English. Easy to say. Use it daily.
Now let's talk about goodbye. I say goodbye. Or see you later. Or see you soon. Very common phrases.
I answer, goodbye, Smith. Have a nice day. This sounds friendly. People feel happy. Simple English works.
You are doing great. You listened for a long time. That is amazing. Your English is growing. Keep going.
Yes, be proud of yourself. Learning English is not easy. But you are trying. That is important. Never stop.
Let's review quickly. Greetings are easy. Names are important. Daily life English helps. Practice every day.
Yes, repeat this podcast. Listen again tomorrow. Speak with confidence. Slow English is good. You will succeed.
English is a journey. Step-by-step learning. No rush needed. Enjoy the process. You are learning.
We are happy to help you. This podcast is for you. Beginners are welcome. Everyone can learn. Believe in yourself.
Thank you for listening. We appreciate your time. Practice what you hear. Speak every day. English becomes easy.
Yes, practice daily. Even 5 minutes helps. Consistency is key. Small steps matter. Keep listening.
Share this podcast. Help other learners. Learning together is fun. English connects people. Spread the knowledge.
Subscribe to this podcast. Follow us for more. More easy English is coming. More real conversations. Stay with us.
We will make more episodes, more daily life English, more simple dialogues, more listening practice for beginners.
Yes, new episodes soon. Easy English only. Slow and clear speaking. Perfect for beginners. Do not miss it.
Thank you again. You are amazing learners. Keep practicing English. We believe in you. See you soon.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a great day. Keep smiling. Keep learning English. See you next time.
This is Smith signing off. Thank you for listening. Practice again today. English is possible.
This is Sarah saying goodbye. You did a great job. Be confident. Your English will grow. Bye-bye.